Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Bueller here with Carolina Aircraft. Now today I've got a 1976 V35B to show you, and if you're a VTOL lover like I am, listen up, let's take a look. So let's check out the engine. This is a Teledyne Continental IO520 285 horsepower engine, 421 hours on the engine since factory reman. And what I like about this engine, it's got the 1900 hour TVO. This aircraft is nicely equipped with the TKS anti-ice system. That includes your prop, the windshield, of course your wings, and the tail. The exterior of this VTOL is Matterhorn white overall, with medium blue and Sahara tan stripes. There are a few spots that need some touch up, but otherwise in pretty good shape. So of course we have the big, large cargo door that makes it so easy to load our passenger and our stuff. And I said passenger because, as you can see, we do have the option of the fifth seat back here. You can carry as much as 270 pounds in the back, but as always with the VTOL, we have to be careful to avoid an aft CG. So come on in, let's check out the interior. Now I'll tell you, back here for the passenger seats, beautiful tan leather seats. These look brand new, and the carpet's in good condition. The seats in the front showing a little wear, but in good condition, and we have a 4-place intercom system. When it comes to avionics, there are some nice upgrades to this V35B. You'll enjoy the Aspen 1000 EFIS primary flight display, Aspen synthetic vision, 2 GPSs on board. One is a Garmin 530, the other a 430 with WAAS. You'll enjoy FlightStream iPad integration, XM weather, Strikefinder, Garmin Transponder with ADS-B out, and your Autopilot, it's a King KFC 200 with Aspen 1000 PFD integration. Other features you will appreciate: Shannon engine baffles, alternate static air system, Shadin digital fuel flow system, LoPresti boom beam landing light, JPI EDM 700 engine monitor, internal corrosion proofing, and so much more. This 1976 V35B is looking for a new home. Remember now, only 421 hours on the engine since factory reman, and this is the 1900 hour TBO. We've got the TKS ice system, and you've got an upgraded panel. There's a lot to love here. Now, she does need a little bit of TLC, but otherwise she's in pretty good condition. So I encourage you to give us a call. We are Carolina Aircraft. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. You can shop online. Come see us though and take the airplane for a test drive. And Bonanza School, well, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new VTOL. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thank you so much for watching.